welcome back to the channel. And today we're on our way out to Seoulfulracing out in Pennsylvania. And we're going to be going for a tune today on my Genesis, the 2012 2.0 Turbo. And right now I'm still not 100% sure if I'm going to be going for like a canned tune, like stage 2 or 1.5 or something like that, or for a full custom tune. That I'm not sure yet. At the moment I have the Turbo XS downpipe, removing my secondary cat, and then I have the ISR Racing catback exhaust, and then a K&N cold air intake, and then the Mishimoto street intercooler. So those are all like performance-wise mods that I have done to my car. So I think I should be able to go for a stage 2 tune, I hope. And also when I go for the tune, I also have the ISR O2 housing right in this box, which that's going to be removing my primary cat. So I'll be pretty much 3-inch straight piped from my turbo back. And along with that being installed, I'm also having new spark plugs installed. I think they're the NGK one-step colder sparks. And all the stuff I ordered was through Generator once again. I order all my stuff through there. Great people. If you want to go check them out, links in the description. But I'm on my way to Seoulfulracing now. We have like another hour or so left of the drive. And yeah, I'm a little nervous, but I'm also pretty excited. If I do go for a custom tune, I know Jay over at Seoulfulracing has it's called like a Korean popcorn tune. Supposedly that's what he calls it. It's either Korean popcorn tune or a snap crackle pop, I think he calls it. I don't know, something like that. Something like. So, and if you don't know who Seoulfulracing is, I'll throw their Instagram page up on the screen now. Huge, very known Genesis-based tuning guy. So we'll catch you guys when we're there. All right, guys, we made it here. It's 8:55, and our appointment setup thingy was at 9. So we're just waiting here, letting the car cool off for a little bit, and we'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully we can use the camera in here. All right, guys, we just dropped off the car to Jay. He's gonna be installing the O2 housing for me. He said the engine bay and the car seem pretty clean, so we should be chilling with that. But while he's doing the install, like, we're not allowed to be there, so we're just gonna go ahead and like walk up the road to like some shopping center and just wait around, or I don't know, watch a movie or something like that for like not half an hour, like 2 hours. We're not gonna watch a movie. We're gonna play some COD Mobile. Oh, some COD Mobile. All right, that sounds good. So we're walking on this road here, taking in the nature, enjoying it. Pennsylvania is pretty nice. New York doesn't have any of this. Well, I mean, at least where we are. Maybe if you go upstate or way out east in New York, then maybe. But taking a little stroll here. Oh, what a Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness center here, huh? You wanna go? Oh. Now open. You wanna go set up the lunk alarm? No. No? No thanks. Alright. Is there a Planet Fitness shopping center? Maybe we can get like a 2-hour trial or something like that. Yeah. I could try out some 30-minute ab sessions or something like that. It's gonna be a fun next hour and a half. Yeah. So we're at the shopping center and it's only like 9:45. So none of the stores are open except Walmart. So we're just chilling at like this little pass-through kind of place, and we're just playing COD and double XP. So we're chilling. Yeah, buddy. Hey, 1 kill for the team. 1 kill for the boys. Oh yeah. Something heavy. You see a double kill coming in? A little lunch break. What do you got there? Yeah, I think I had some double barbecue bacon sandwich thing. Looks pretty good. Got the Oreo shape. And hats off at the table when you're eating, you know. Oh yeah. Where are we going? Disney World? We're going to Disney. Nah. We just got the call. Jay said it's all done. It's currently on the dyno. So we're on our way. We're gonna send it over there. We're here at the shop. We got the Jenny. We're getting ready for the start some dyno runs. Here. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be starting off light, and then we're gonna be easing our way into the more aggressive tuning. And then after the tunes are all done, he's gonna be throwing in the snap, crackle, pop tune at the end. That's the same thing that we have on the car right now, well, on my ECU. So we're just going to be testing out what it sounds like while he's actually flashing my ECU that's on my car. Right now I'm not even on the gas. Driving home just regularly, like it's like I'm not even like trying to make it pop. I'm just driving just like a normal civilian, and then some older woman, probably in her 50s, she just like drives up next past to me and like flipping me off. Like I did absolutely nothing wrong. Just like I'm just driving, and I didn't cut her off. I didn't do anything, and she just drives past me and just flips me off. I'm like, well, I did nothing wrong. So, you know, I should have sent it past her and cut her off, but, you know, you get what you ask for, you know? Alright guys, so from that last clip in the George Washington tunnel, it's been almost 2 months. And I know that's a lot of time, but I've been really busy with school and work and all the not so fun stuff. And at the moment it is January 1st of 2020, so happy New Year's guys, happy holidays. I hope all your holidays were nice. In that 2-month span, I really got to learn the tune on my car. Originally when I first got it, not gonna lie to you, I was really kind of up in the air about it. I'm like, this is really obnoxious at times, and I was kind of scared to drive the car. Like the looks I would get from people on the road, absolutely ridiculous. Kind of funny, but at the same time maybe kind of felt bad, but nah, not really. But now it's almost 2 months later, I really learned how to make it quiet, when not to make it quiet, how to have fun with it. And now it's been about 2 months, so I really do enjoy the car. Say if a cop is behind me or I have to be quiet, I'm pulling up to my house late after work, I do know how to make it quiet, or keep it quiet rather. Pretty much all I have to do is just keep the RPMs under 3,000. As long as I don't go above 3,000 when I downshift or when I just let off the gas, it should not pop whatsoever. It might do a little bit of like a little burple, kind of, if you want to call it that, but it's not going to do no crazy backfires. So I have learned how to master it, how to make it quiet, or I mastered how to make it really super obnoxious. It is pretty late into the video, and this is kind of like a vlog kind of thing, so I don't really know how many of you guys are still watching the video, so I'm not going to really do a lot of like sound clips and exhaust clips and what it sounds like now. I'm going to make it a separate video, so the people that actually do want to see it don't gotta wait all the way to the end of the video. I'm probably just going to throw in a couple of clips, not too much, but then I'm going to be making a separate video just on the tune and what it sounds like. So I'm probably just going to throw in 2 clips of being really loud and obnoxious, and then I'm going to throw in a clip of being almost as quiet as I can to having no backfire whatsoever. And this here, I forgot to mention, this is the stock O2 housing, where the primary cat is, and where the sensor is supposed to be, which is right here. So I don't have this in my car anymore, and definitely worth it. And before you guys ask, yes, it did throw a check engine light because I don't have the primary cat, but I have that turned off. I have it bypassed, so there's no check engine light in my car. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just a little update on my tune and how I feel about it. And another video should be coming out soon, strictly on the tune, just what it sounds like, and just me driving with it. But have any comments, leave them down below. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming, guys. See you in the next one.